YouTube is engineered to help drive your customers to take action. This is done with 1. TrueView for Action, our clickable video format with customizable call to actions and headlines. 2. High-intent audience types that help you reach the right people at the right time. And 3. Conversion measurement that helps you understand the full value of your campaign. In this video, you'll learn about conversion measurement in YouTube. To start running your TrueView for Action campaign, you must set up conversion tracking using Google site-wide tagging to ensure that your conversion tracking is accurate and future-proof. Once your conversion tracking is set up properly, it's time to consider which conversions to track and optimize towards. TrueView for Action is a performance-oriented campaign, so your primary metric should be your most important conversion actions. These actions should be set up as conversions in the conversions column, so that smart bidding will optimize towards them. You can choose to define a different conversion for your TrueView for Action campaign than your usual conversion for search. For example, if you expect to get less than 35 conversions for your purchase conversion, it's recommended that you use a different micro-conversion, like adding a product to a cart or a sign-up. To do that, you'll be using a campaign-level conversion setting. Let's get started. In your TrueView for Action campaign, click the Settings tab and scroll down to Additional Settings. In the Conversion section, select Choose Conversion Actions for this campaign and click Select Conversion Actions. Select the conversion action you want for your TrueView for Action campaign and click Save. And then click Save again. Now that you know how and what to track, let's dive into how conversions are generally measured in YouTube, and specifically in a TrueView for Action campaign. In a TrueView for Action campaign, conversions are counted in the conversion column in 2 cases. 1. When a user clicks one of the dynamic elements that leads to your website and then later converts within 30 days. You can adjust this conversion window depending on how long it takes your customer to convert. And 2. When a user views at least 10 seconds of your ad or watches it until the end, whichever happens first, and then converts within 3 days. If you're measuring with Google Analytics, you will only be able to see click-based conversions and not engaged view conversions. This is why it's crucial to measure your TrueView for Action campaign with Google Ads conversion tracking. Another important metric is the view-through conversion, which you can find in the view-through conversion column. A view-through conversion is counted if a user sees an ad for less than 10 seconds, and then converts within 1 day of the impression. This metric is important because even short ad exposure can sometimes lead to a conversion. If you're comparing your YouTube activity to other platforms that include view-through conversions by default, it's important that you look at the sum of your conversions and view-through conversions when measuring performance. You can always create a custom column to calculate your conversions and your view-through conversions, along with your new CPA. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.